Whew. So guys, ito nga pala. And so, pupunta na lang kami bundok. Dito niyan. Doon. Doon nakakahingal. Napapagod na ako. Whew. So guys, welcome nga po pala sa aking munting vlog. Hindi na ako napagayos. At alam nyo naman, nakakapagod. It's just like, you know, and it's so hot. But even though it's actually so late to go here in Aurora, Dingalan, and then once you go up here, you just have to bring a lot of water just to make sure that you don't dehydrated. And that's how I was saying, guys, look at the area. Look at the area. It's so clean. So if you go up here, you need to get ready, guys, to walk in 20 minutes because tricycle is so expensive. It's actually 40 each person. That's why we tiis-tiis na lang as of the moment. So guys, nakikita nyo yan. Yan. Yun. So, update ko na lang kayo later. Goodbye muna. I'm so tired. And mataas pa yung akyatin ko. So, update you guys later. Bye-bye.